vibes with your boy Lex Millie. Today I'm going to be talking about Pepe Coin, if it can flip Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, and also I got an awesome price prediction at the end of this video, so stick around. But before I do that, if this is the first time that you come to my channel, please hit the like and subscribe button, show your boy some love, let YouTube know I'm here, and let's get this in. So I was reading this article today that says, what is Pepe Coin and can it flip meme coins, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu? And I'm just going to skip all through this, guys, because I just want to get to the charts and let you know what's going on. The 4 o'clock hour is approaching. And so I just want to show you guys what they said right here. Can Pepe flip Dogecoin and Shiba Inu? Pepe is still only 5% of Dogecoin's market cap. Over 10 billion is Dogecoin, right? It's also 10% of the second largest meme coin, Shiba Inu, who actually holds about 5 billion. I wouldn't be surprised to see Pepe surpass both at some point. Momentarily, now that it has gained legitimacy, argues Chase Devins, a researcher at Masari. The immediate listing across popular centralized crypto exchanges like Binance are the primary reason for the rapid rise and valuation, adds Devin. So, and then we're waiting for Coinbase too. So, can it get to a 10 billion market cap? Man, it can. I mean, I don't see why not. I don't see what's stopping it. And then as far as the price prediction goes here, this article today is saying that Pepe Coin could be set to do a 50% rally, which, according to the charts and according to the volume, I'm thinking that maybe that's not so. So there's 2 scenarios that I want to paint for you guys, and we're going to get into that. It talks about Pepe Coin, where it currently stands, and some of the lows and some of the key points. But it says here, the traders look for a new long, could wait for a breakout and a candle closing above the aforementioned trend line, as it will offer buyers a significant launchpad to climb higher in the charts. Thus, a potential breakout from this trend line may surge the Pepe price another 50% to reach a significant zone of about 31. And my chart has 31 on site, right? I have that in the visuals. So that's possible, right? On the contrary, a breakdown below the 5015 or 16 is where I have mine. Support will be invalidated. It would invalidate the bullish thesis, which basically means we're not going up. So we got to stay above 16, and then we could possibly have a run to 31. That's what this article is saying. I kind of agree with that to an extent. And they talk about the Bollinger Band potential breakout from the 5031 resistance will also challenge the Bollinger Band. So once it gets to 31, that's like the highway to heaven, or the door of freedom, right? If it basically goes above 31, then man, we're pushing. You know, I'm thinking all-time highs here will be met again. Is it going to go up like this? Listen. Last week was kind of crazy, up and down, a lot of news. Coinbase calling Pepe an anti-hate, then apologizing. Everybody jumping on, on a lot of people still need to know about Pepe too, so don't forget that. So with that being said, let's look at the chart, right? Because that's what we're here for. Let's see what we're doing. We got about 3 minutes, right? And let me go to Pepe real quick. We got about 3 minutes for this new candle to start. And that candle is going to say everything, guys. Currently, right now, the 5-hour moving average, which is the top one right here, it is getting ready to cross, or it kind of already did. It's kind of just right there, which shows right here on this candle, just touching that 8-hour moving average. We don't really want it to come down here, right? We don't want it to break the 13-hour moving average, because that would take us back right down to 16, kind of where that article said, 15, 16. So we don't want to go there. And if we do, then it is what it is, guys. I still think that we're gonna stay. And let me back out a little bit. Back out just a hair for you guys here. I still think that we're gonna stay in the zone. Um, right here, this zone around the 18s. It likes it a lot. It was above it and it came here, and it was below it and it came here, right? So this is definitely an area where I think Pepe likes to live. I think the Bears and the Bulls have agreed on this price right here, right? Between 18 and 21, kind of ish, and as low as 16, right? 16 to 21. So they're basically saying in the article, which I can see that it could go right down to this level right here or a little bit lower than that, touching the 13-hour moving average would put it at about 15 and some change. So I see that. Now, the contrary to that, the opposite of that, right? So let me fix this up a little bit so you can see it better. And the 4 o'clock candle is about to start in about a minute. So that's why I like making these videos during the new candles, because we can see some action, right? We can see it right while I'm recording it. So to the upside, this is the levels that they talked about, which I agree. I had those marked forever. If you guys been watching my videos, 21 cents, 26 cents, and 31 cents. They believe that we can get to 31 cents if we do not get under this 15.8 range, somewhere around there, right? 15.8 range. Now here's the 4 o'clock candle. It just started. Bam, right there. You see it. Let me zoom in so you can see it. And let's see what it does real quick. Just a quick look at it. Let's spread that out. There's the 4 o'clock candle right there. Right? You guys see it? You can barely see it. It's right there. That one is going to say a lot. It's either going to go up and stay above the 5-hour moving average, or the 8-hour moving average. I'm sorry, or it's going to drop down and start looking for the 13-hour moving average by volume. Now, I will say this: when I was looking at Pepe's numbers, real quick, where's Pepe? Let's see, is Pepe anywhere? There he is. When I was looking at Pepe's numbers, the volume is down dramatically. We were at $1 billion yesterday, and half of that is gone, right? So we're at 491 million. It doesn't let me know that there's a lot of money moving into Pepe right at this current time. With the rank at 63, dropped 4 spots. I don't see anything bullish about this, okay? I'm not saying we're going to go down. I'm not saying we're going to go up. We might go sideways, but the volume speaks everything, right? The volume makes the most noise, and there is a 24-hour volume of under 500 million, which is half of what it was yesterday. So keep that in mind when we look at these charts. And as you can see, the 4 o'clock candle is starting to move a little bit. Let's go back here. Mess that up. 1 second. There you go. The 4 o'clock candle is starting to move. We can kind of see where it's going to go from there. So today is Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all the mothers that are out there. And hopefully you take your wifey to dinner or something. And if you look at this 4-hour candle, it's starting to move a little bit to the downside, but you know what? Don't go by that. This 4 o'clock candle is very early. It's still sitting on the 8-hour moving average. And we're just going to watch that, okay? Keep an eye on that, guys. You guys already know the levels that I told you. Possible down to 15.8, somewhere around there, where that line hits. So let me just clean that up for you real quick so you can clearly understand what I'm saying. Right here is the 15.8, which they spoke about in the article, which also lines up with the Bill Williams lines on the 13-hour moving average. So if these two lines right here continue to move downwards, it's very possible that we're going to hit about 15.8, somewhere in the 15 range, right? Based on volume alone. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. Now, you never know. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your homework, do what you got to do. But as you can see, it is moving down as I'm recording the video. By the time you guys watch this, I don't know where it's going to be, but it is breaking down past the 8-hour moving average, right? So uh, prepare for those scenarios. And, if it goes down to 15, I think that's a good time to, maybe accumulate more. If you haven't got in, I think it's a good time to get in. And the opposite of that, guys, would fly all the way to 31. Okay. So just keep your eye on this. You should already be locked into a position somewhere in the 12 range if you bought that dip. But I do, from what I'm seeing right now, think we're going to go down a little bit. But we'll keep an eye on that, okay? It's your boy Lex Millie, always giving you the crypto vibes. I appreciate you guys stopping by the channel. We'll catch you on the next one. I hope you have a beautiful evening, and always leave me a comment because I always reply. See you later. Peace.